everyone, so today's video is going to be a little different, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to be doing not only an unboxing, but first impressions, we're going to see how it goes, but not first impressions like makeup or anything like that. We have, I'm so excited, a smart robot mop. Okay, I don't know about you guys, I don't really mind vacuuming, but when it comes down to like mopping my floors or like deep cleaning, well, first of all, I didn't even realize until embarrassingly recently that I never deep cleaned in my life. Like, I know I won't even get into it. But yeah, so I never really mopped, and now that I have to, I don't really like it. So even though I have a smart mop, now I do. Even though I have a steam mop, I think that's great. I only need water, just like this, but I'm still a little lazy when it comes to that step. So a smart robot mop that can do it all for me and just use water, so no chemicals on my floor. I'm like pumped. So this video is in partnership with the company. They were very kind to send me this free for review, but they did not even give me any talking points or anything like that, which is good. That's how I roll. I like to be in charge of what I say, I guess, or the creative aspect of it. So this is all going to be real time for me, at least first impressions. And yeah, we're gonna unbox it now, and then we will test it out downstairs, I'm thinking. I have some tile up here in my bathrooms, but I think downstairs definitely needs it more, and it's a wider surface area, so we'll see how it all works. So this is the EVERYBOT Smart Mop in Mocha. It's on Amazon. You can get it for $279. I know it's expensive, but all of the good smart mops are. I was like looking around for a smart robot vacuum a while ago, and the cheap ones, like, just don't last long. Like, you kind of have to invest if you're going to get one of these things, if you want it to actually work well. They do have a $30 off coupon. It's just like check the box, that's it. So if you do want to purchase this, make sure you do that. And they do have a payment plan. If you have an Amazon Prime card, then it's like $45 or something like that a month for 6 months. So just so you know. But how nice is this box? It's super light. I think it's like 3 pounds, 6 ounces or something like that. And it has 2 motors in it. We'll just unbox it and then we'll talk about any pertinent information. But it does have those sensors on it, so like it won't like fall downstairs or skip like going underneath the couch if it's tall enough, the couch. Yeah, they call it the anti-collision sensor, so it avoids obstacles, and then it also has the cliff detection sensor, so it doesn't fall down the stairs. This box is really handy. I'm moving soon, so I'm going to try and not ruin the box when I open it so I can store it in this and bring it on my move easily. I love that it has a handle. Guess I was doing it the wrong way. Oh yeah, this side of the is a lot better looking. Hello, I'm your new edge. So we have a quick guide here, and then a user manual. That's it. They have both. So it looks like everything is packaged super well. This must be, I don't know. And I was reading online that the little mop pads in here are machine washable, and there's 2 different colors. It depends on like what type of floor. So it works on like hardwood floors, like any hard flooring. It does not work on carpet. So this is what they look like. You get 2 of each. It even comes with batteries. And there's a remote as well. So it's not that big. This is going to be so fun. I've always wanted one of these. I've never had one. Have you guys used something similar? Well, Emmy's intrigued. I'm curious how she'll act when I actually turn it on. So I said we had it in Mocha. We actually have the white version. I don't know why I assumed that. So the edge cleaning, it has dual spin technology. Even this is really easy to hold. There's that handle on top. it looks like it'll be really easy to figure out how to put this all together. Let's see, what is this here? Maybe it's a little charging pack? Yes. We've got our plug-in. So here is the remote. So you can do auto, edge, focus, intensive, Y mode, step, 50 minutes. So I believe when it's fully charged, it does last 50 minutes. And to cover, from the reviews I read, at least like my area downstairs, which you guys will see. I've lived here for a while and I'm moving, and now you guys are finally going to see more of my house, I guess. So we have 2 AAA batteries here, and then I think this is a brush. I'm guessing you get this to help clean it or something. I don't know, it's a silicone brush. So that was everything that came, all the contents in the box. Now let's look at the quick guide and put it together. So we have our main unit, the water supply mop kits. There's 2 mother yarn mops, so the gray, and then the green ones are microfiber mops. Oh, the batteries for the remote. And then we have the power adapter and a silicone brush. And it talks about how to use and charge. I like how there's pictures too. I'm a visual person and very like clean, easy to read. So please charge the product fully before the first operation. That's what I was thinking. That's why I filmed this tonight, because I knew like tomorrow I'd probably be running out of time or something. So when charging the battery, the button of the main unit does not work. Okay. So it will have a LED light. Yeah, it does right on top that will be yellow or flash yellow when the battery's low. Blue means it's medium battery. And then when the LED is off, that is full battery. So to get started, you wet the mops thoroughly in water. Attach the mop pads, open the rubber cap, and put some more water in. It looks very simple. So it even gives you a little view of how or what the cleaning modes are on the remote. So auto cleaning is what we're going to try out first, so tomorrow morning. And then edge cleaning means like the edge of the room. Okay. Focus cleaning, it shows it being like around the middle of the room, like if you have like a coffee table or something. And then intensive cleaning looks like it goes like in circles, like I don't know. We'll test it out again, like I said. And then manual cleaning, you can actually like move it around yourself. This is gonna be so fun. So right now I am just going to put it on the charger, and then tomorrow we'll walk through the steps on how to actually set up the mop. Hi Emmy, we got a robo mop. Robo mop, is that how you say it? Robo smart mop. And then gives some like warnings and stuff, caution. It seems so straightforward. I'm super excited. And then also on the last thing here on the back of this pamphlet for the quick start guide or whatever, maintaining water supply mop kits. Oh, it tells you what to do once you're done operating. So you remove it. Okay, cool. And this is not a malfunction. Please check. So if it does not work for 5 minutes, oh yeah, it's just giving you like probably common things that come up, like common possible problem. What you can put? Oh, I thought music played from it. It says after 50 minutes of cleaning, the main unit sounds the alarm. Is that like a Destiny's Child song or Beyonce? So I'm so excited. Let's charge this. I'll let you know like how long it takes to charge too. I don't think it said, but. So this is made in Korea. Oh, interesting. It says it has an exit shadow area system. So when the cleaning is finished, the edge automatically finds its way to a brighter place from a dark area to turn off, so it doesn't turn off under the couch. You're like, where the heck did my mop go? Did it leave? My house is too dirty. Good morning. So I didn't film it because, well, one, like, I didn't have the setup in my bathroom or kitchen to do so, but I set up the, why isn't that focusing? There we go. I set up the mop and it was so easy. It's exactly these instructions here. It took me like a minute. Well, maybe like 2 minutes, but super easy. So we got it here. kind of cleared out my floor. There wasn't much down here like obstructing the way, like there's like a ladder and stuff, but I made sure my bathroom door is open so you can see, oops, see how it does. So I just had to rinse the mops pads and then attach them to the, whatever you call it, the black part, and then fill it with water. So they're filled with water. It's not much at all, so I'm curious. So let's turn it on. Is it on already? Oh yeah, I don't know. Let's see what it says. Oh, I forgot to get the remote. I did put the batteries in last night, but the floor is wet. But I think I just put, I was supposed to wring out the mop pads. I don't know if I did it completely, but before I go do that, look outside. Ignore my mess. I just put everything on top of the couches. Pretty. The banana tree had some bananas. They're probably all gone now. Animals come and take it. Trying to save some plants. Maybe I should look at what I'm supposed to do. Did I turn it on? Maybe it's not on. I have to hold it down. Okay. Now I know. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, this is so entertaining. Oh, look, it does look cleaner already where it is. Where's Emmy? Is it just me, or you can tell the difference? In that little area. Oh, that's gross. I think that's part of the tile, but no, it's just dirty. Oh my god. I love this. So there is some noise. Like it said, it doesn't, or it has low noise. Maybe there's a setting that's better for it, but I don't know. I don't think it's that terrible, but I wouldn't want it right by my bed like they showed in the pictures. I kind of like white noise. It's similar to that when I was sleeping, but I mean, oh look at it. It's trying to go. Oh, you're too tall, I think. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's not gonna go under my thing, my furniture here. Sorry, the light's reflecting in. Like, well, I could sit here and watch this all day, but I don't know if you guys want to. I am curious, like, what its path is, you know. So I will check in with you. It says it runs for 50 minutes or something like that, but I'll check in a little bit. I think I hear Emmy crying. Emmy, are you freaked out? Every time I'm like, oh, you're not gonna fit, babe. And it keeps trying. At least it doesn't keep trying in the same spot. It is so smart. Oh, you're so smart, my little robomop. Oh my god, I should move it. It's trying to go in between there. Oh my god, I love this thing. Okay, for real. I'll see you guys in an hour or so. Emmy, what do you think about the new mop? She's not sure yet. It's been a while. I honestly got distracted doing a declutter video, but I think my little moppy friend, my little mop baby, did well. Oh look, there's some like soap there that was on the ground. I must have missed that spot. But I think I need to turn it back on. There was a point where I thought it turned off like prematurely, like only 20 minutes in, but it got stuck a little bit under there. Like it really tried to nudge its way down. I think it looks clean. And I didn't put any soap down or anything beforehand, which I thought I should. Oh, there you are, my little robomop. I already talked to you like you're my little cat baby, and I love you. Let's get you back on. But like, it was really gross in here. I hope you guys didn't see. Yay! I think my little robobot did a great job. What do you think, Emmy? Sorry, there's a blanket. What do you think? Doesn't it look nice and clean? That was a yes. Woohoo! There it is. Here is giveaway. Emmy. You can't keep it. It's for one lucky winner. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment down below. It's open to all subscribers. I will leave the information down in the description box, like with the date it ends and all of the official rules, which aren't many, like I already said. Just be subscribed. Like this video too, I would greatly appreciate that. But we've got a mix of skincare and makeup and nail stuff. Sorry, the lighting's not great and the air conditioner's on. Around my phone. Emmy, you're so cute. But yeah, good luck. Love you guys.